Hello, good people on the internet. Today we are replacing a rare part on an even rarer car. Today we are replacing, or I have replaced, the active exhaust cable for a Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR-4, specifically the 1993 one. A rare part on an even rarer car. First of all, I do not recommend holding this up with a bungee cord and bending this plastic, because this is old plastic. They only made a certain amount of these, and you really don't want to break this. So maybe don't take a page out of my book and go up and through here and take all this off as well. In order to get to this, I took off the rear garnish, finish panel, whatever you want to call this plastic. And in order to make sure that this comes off, because this is actually screwed on by this, and the rear panel also screws in right there. So you need to take off the back, or at least peel this away. Once again, I wouldn't recommend that. Be really careful. Old plastic, bunch of screws, bunch of little poppets, little caps in the back here, so you got to be real careful about that. So, and then there are a couple of 8mm holding this relay on the bottom, one on the top. Take those off, you can peel it away, and then you can get to, see if I can focus this a little bit better. You can get to the 10mm, because of course it's a 10mm. Don't lose your 10mm in this little hole right here. It's one over here, two in the back, and you can take that out. And it's just like the throttle body. It has, let's go over to my handy dandy bench over here, turn on the light. It has this rotating thing, and you put the little bit inside of here, and then you coil it back around, and it goes up here. Now there is an adjustment right here with two 12mm, I want to say. Let me look at the wrench. There's two 12. That's 12. Yep, two 12mm, and you can adjust, that cable, and it goes down through there. There's a little rubber grommet right there that I was able to get on there, and then hope this camera picks this up. There is. See if I can point my flashlight in there. It goes down through the wheel well right there and connects to the active exhaust right there. Come on, focus. And you have to, there's an adjustment screws, there's a couple of adjustment nuts that are there as well, and then you gotta connect it to the active exhaust. I would kind of recommend dropping the exhaust, at least down here, and then getting that on there, because this is going to be a pain. I still haven't done it. This is going to be a pain to go through the wheel well. I still have these Motegi track lights. I got to get rid of these. And you go in through here and you get that put on, and then you have your active exhaust, back or fixed. I hope this helps somebody find out where everything is, what you need to do, and hope you have a good day. See ya.